Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make delicious vegetable fritters. They're simple, healthy, and packed with flavor. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipe ideas. Let's get started. First, wash and chop some cauliflower. Next, wash and chop some broccoli. Grind both the cauliflower and broccoli. I'm using a Salad Master food processor, which works wonderfully for this. If you'd like more details, just let me know in the comments below. Here's what the mixture should look like once grated. Now, let's season it. Add a little vegetable salt, not too much. Sprinkle in some white pepper. Crack in 5 to 6 eggs, depending on how much vegetable mix you have. Mix everything together well. Add a splash of olive oil and mix again. Then stir in some cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Next, prepare a muffin tray by brushing the cups lightly with olive oil. Spoon the vegetable mixture into each cup. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. And that's it. Your vegetable fritters are ready to enjoy. I created this recipe as a fun, healthy option that works perfectly for both breakfast and lunch. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.